The DC Summer Math Institute is a 2-week dynamic experience in math enrichment and computer programming that is available to students in the 6th, 7th, and 8th grades in the DC metro area. It's really a program for kids who love math so much, they want to continue doing it over the summer. They want to explore mathematical challenges with other peers who share that passion. We founded it in 2013. I co-run it with my colleague John Mormino, who does the computer programming piece. And it was very important to both of us that students of all economic backgrounds would be able to attend the Institute. And so we initiated last year a scholarship program for students who attend DC public schools or DC public charter schools.
So what I liked the most about the DC Summer Math Institute was like the competition we had and the different people that were there made me feel part of like a club, that there are other people like me that enjoyed math just as much as I did. And like when we did different games, we did set, we had competitions. It was really fun and exciting to have like that inclusion and being in a group and everyone's having fun using math in ways we didn't think we could use it before.
So here at Basis, we use the Saxon curriculum, which is really great, but it's often more procedural than problem-based. So having the experience at the DC Summer Math Institute allows students like Leah to complement their procedural studies with problem-based tasks.
What I think is different about the Math Institute than in a classroom is that the Math Institute, there are a lot of different people learning about math and they put their heads together to think. In a classroom, it's more pressure because there are grades and there are it's just a lesson. You have to do homework, practice problems, and you do those all on your own and sometimes with the teacher's help, but it's better to have all of these different people thinking with their heads together to solve a specific problem.
By going to the DC Summer Math Institute, I think I gained a deeper understanding for math and how it really applies to the real world. I think before I kind of went to math and was like, oh, I like learning about it, but what am I really going to use it for? And now that I know that has like a purpose and point, we can use it outside of like school, that I really gained that, and so it makes learning math even more fun than it was before.
I think how it will help in a classroom setting is that it teaches you different ways of thinking, and those different ways of thinking you can do everywhere. So if your parent asks you to solve a problem like out of the blue, which my dad does sometimes, you have different ways to solve that problem.
I would definitely suggest the Institute to my friends. I think a lot of my friends now don't really enjoy math as much as I do, and I think the Institute really helps you want to learn math even more. Definitely helps you broaden your horizons and everything. So I would definitely, if you feel like you don't really like math now, going to the Institute really makes it more helpful and enjoyable to do math at all. So yeah, definitely.